Hey guys, it's Super Mario Bros. 641, and me and my brother are here.
Yeah.
Well, we finally got our webcam back to work, and we're gonna make some more videos.
For some reason it was hiding down there.
Oh yeah, it was under our computer. Well, yeah, we got to work, and we're gonna make some more videos. Sorry we haven't made one for a really, really long time, but
Because we didn't find the webcam.
we couldn't find it, and
then when we found it, it wasn't working, but now it is.
well, yeah, just to let you guys know that we finally got our webcam to work. We'll be making more videos, like I just said, and sorry we've been.
We're gonna probably make some new zombie videos, probably.
We need to wait until I get my new camera, maybe for my birthday or for Christmas. It's Christmas coming up soon, so maybe I might get a new camera.
And Thanksgiving, but you don't get anything on Thanksgiving. Turkey. Turkeys are so good. What? Oh,
Hey,
sorry,
he's
you
just
messed
being
it
a
up.
jerk. Anyways, sorry, it's a little blurry when we wiggle. See? Da, 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 da. I'm like, they're drunk. Do, 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 do. Luigi, get your fat head out of
My
the
name's
way.
Luigi. Mwah.
Alright. But yeah, so,
work so fast until the end. It doesn't
Alright, good thing
even
Luigi's going away.
matter. But Luigi, he's so awesome.
shut the head up and get out of here. No one likes you.
No! I love SpongeBob. I want to watch it.
Well, go watch it then. SpongeBob's not even on.
Damn it.
Whee!
Ow. Damn it.
Luigi, stop it. I'm making a YouTube video. Luigi!
Hi, guys. I never drank this one.
Alright, now that that's taken care of. Anyways. So, yeah. Go away! Oh yeah, I want to show you guys our new fishes. Yeah, can you go turn on the light, Luigi? For
Why don't I
the fishes?
just bring it over there?
Just turn on the fishy light.
Fuck! Be that way, little jerk. We got them from Billy.
Yeah, we got this from this guy in Billy. But they're awesome!
Hey. Alright, I'm too awesome. I am too awesome.
They're not awesome at all. Luigi, get out of the way!
I love SpongeBob.
SpongeBob sucks. So does SpongeBob and Patrick are gay. Alright.
I know they are, because I love them.
Just
Plain. Oh, Mario, tell them about Mario and Luigi fans.
What about them?
You said you were going to be their friends.
How do you am their friend?
You never talked to them for a long time.
Alright.
You never talked to them for a long time.
Get out of my way! You fatso!
Fine. Be that way.
Stop.
Be that way, camera.
Alright.
You almost ripped my head off. Wait, I need to say one word to the camera. SpongeBob's so awesome!
Hey, you guys can watch this if you want.
I'll hold it.
Ethan, get Luigi out of here. That was Ethan. Alright. Sorry about that.
Show him, buddy.
No.
Yes.
But, the Super Luigi Bros. 641 is making some new
I
videos.
just got my shoe on. This is a new shoe.
And Super Luigi fans is gonna make,
Super
Bros
Luigi Bros. 641.
are gonna make, I think, Super Smash Bros. Part 4, or it's Part 3,
Oof.
I don't know. But,
Oof.
well, yeah, thanks for watching this video, which it probably sucks because of gay Luigi.